Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great Friday. And I'm here at the gym, and I was taking a photo, and I noticed that they changed the options, as you can see on the right-hand side, where the options are now available versus there was a menu and then you could choose. So one of the things that I was hoping for was that Google would add color pop to photos. They have now with the portrait mode. You can do it with the photos in the regular standard photo mode, but it doesn't look like color pop, and I'll show you. They've also added a timer in portrait mode. So you can see here you got the timer, and I'll show you how you add color pop, and I'm so glad. Now I have the Google Pixel 2 XL. Obviously they're going to do this with the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. Don't know about the other versions, but let me show you here. So one, I could set the timer. Let's do 3 seconds, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's taking a photo now. There we go. Now it looks like, the color's a little off here, I guess, with the lighting. So now I have the option, press this second one to the left, and there you go. Now it says color pop. And now you can save it, and of course there's other options that you can go with. So you can save copy, and there it is. You've got color pop. How awesome is that? So now you get the best of both worlds, where you can have the timer and you can do the color pop. So glad that Google has added that in there. Now I'd like to play with it more. Now if I go to camera and do a regular camera, 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1. There we go, bigger smile. And now I go to the options here. You could come up here and let's see, I think if you click on that, it's pop, and then you could adjust that. They call this pop, but I don't really see it as pop. But you could play with it, but you could see this is what they call pop. So let me put this back. You could save it, and this is pop versus this is really, to me, color pop. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you have any questions, but thank goodness that Google has added this capability to the camera feature. All right, everybody, have a great day. Hope this was of help. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.